Hi everyone, this is Atar Rahman. In this video, I'm gonna show you how this invoice will work for your company. This is an invoice model where I use some macro also. So I'm gonna show you full details here. First, the date will change automatically. Second, we can see invoice number. Third section, we can see bills. That's mean our supply name, their contact info, each and everything. If there is any shipment, then we also need to add details here, and description, quantity, unit price, total, etc. So first I just click invoice now. So first my invoice number will automatically show 1. Now I enter here ABC, then contact number 0192093093. If there will any shipment details, then we can also add there. Move on. I just enter my product name in description. When I enter product name, the price will show automatically. Then I just enter the quantity. In the same way, I enter another product name, quantity, and another product name, and also quantity. So it will give me a total value. If any discount applicable, then we just enter some discount amount, 5%, and our tax rate, for example, 3%. Now total invoice give us that balance due, what amount, tax, each and everything. If we need to print the invoice, then we just to click PDF print. See, the PDF is generated automatically and we can print from here. Another interesting fact is I just want to create another invoice. So what we'll do, then I will click invoice. So invoice number will generate automatically and same thing will go on. We just need to enter our each and everything. So if you feel that this type of model will work for your company, then feel free to knock me.